Hello again and welcome back to the channel. Richard back again with another unboxing video, and today it's for the new 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray Deluxe Collector's Edition set of Stranger Things, the complete series. Everything's all in this one box from Arrow Video on behalf of Netflix. So let's get this one opened and check it out. Okay, so here it is. Let's look at the front artwork. See all the gang in the middle. 11 front and centre, and there is Netflix Stranger Things up top. It's a shame that's not got some spot gloss on. Looks a little bit dull. And there's a look at the side. Has got really nice artwork on this. Has took a bit of damage when this has come. I'm in two minds whether it goes back at the moment. It's in that corner up there. I've seen quite a few other videos and they seem to have got some damage as well, so I'm unsure at the moment. It is quite an expensive set, so yeah, I'll see how I get on. Okay, let's zoom in on the back and we'll have a look what this includes. So there it is, Stranger Things, the complete series. Set in Hawkins, of course. So it's a 25-disc deluxe collection. It's got 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray presentation in Dolby Vision, of all 42 episodes across 5 seasons and 25 discs. Wow, didn't think it was 42 episodes. Okay, we've got the original DTS HD Master Audio 5.1 surround and stereo audio for all episodes, plus additional Dolby Atmos for seasons 4 and 5. This will be the first time, of course, it's been presented lossless. With it being on Netflix, of course, it would have been lossy, compressed audio, and obviously picture quality as well, because we're going to try and utilise all 100 megabits per second of the data compared to 21 tops on Netflix. I know I used to get 12.6. We got optional English subtitles as well for the deaf and hard of hearing. And this has got a deluxe packaging including brand new wraparound box art by Juan Ramos. Okay, it's in the aspect ratio of 2:1. And we've got 5.1, 2.0 and Dolby Atmos. Okay, we'll zoom out and we'll have a look at the package. Okay, so we'll take all this off and move it over there. And we can go all the way around now. It is a real shame about that. Okay, so there's a look at the inside. And there's the push through in the corner. I'm not going to get that out. I don't know, managed to push it out a little bit. So, this is what you get. So, bit random, the 4th series has a clear slipcover and the others have a normal slipcover. A little bit of damage on that one as well. So it's took a bang in transport for sure. So, they're the extras. I'll put that over there for now. Got a lot of posters and books here, have we? Okay, there's your booklet. That's a proper book, that is. Okay, let's start at Series 1 at the start. Oh, that's nice. Lenticular slipcover. Okay, needs a little bit more depth if you're calling it lenticular. Doesn't seem to be much going on, if I'm being honest. Okay, there's a look at the back. The 8 episodes we've got here. And we'll slide that out. And there's your 14mm keep case, finished in black, and it doesn't have a 4K Ultra HD logo, which is quite weird. Any reverse artwork? Yes. Okay, so I'm probably going to turn that round because I quite like the artwork on those. So let's correct it. Okay, we'll start again. That looks much better. So we go inside. We've got a disc tray, a couple of trays holding 4 discs. Okay, so we've got Blu-rays in here as well. That is bonus features on disc 4. Region locked to A and B. So let's have a look at disc 1. That is a triple layer disc. Hopefully they all are. Yep. And then disc 4 with bonus features. Hopefully it's a dual layer. No, it's a single layer, 25 gig. Okay, first series down. Let's get on to series 2. And this one doesn't have a lenticular, it has a cutout in the front of the slipcover. Okay, those are the 9 episodes for series 2. I'll slide that out. I'm going to have to keep that artwork on this one. Again, no logo at the top. Might as well check the disc while it's loose. Triple layer as well. Discs 5, 6, 7 and 8 is bonus features. I'll check this one out. And this one is a single layer as well. And there is reverse artwork on that one. Okay, so how is that going to work? Okay, doesn't really work, so I'll put it back as I found it. Okay, always put the slip from the bottom because it always gets caught on the top. Okay, series 3. This one is a normal slipcover. There's your 8 episodes. Okay, so here we've got discs 9, 10, 11 and 12. And that's a 25 gig as well. We do have reverse artwork as well. And that is series 3. And I'm going to put it that way round. Looks better. And series 4, we've got a jumbo case for this one. Right, they've gone with something to levitate like that. Okay. Don't think I've ever had a 4K Ultra HD jumbo case before. Okay, so we've got quite a few trays in here. So discs 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19 is the Blu-ray, and the Blu-ray is 25 gig again. Any reverse artwork on this one? Yes, we do, but I'm not going to be able to put it back this way because of the slipcover effect. Again, really nice artwork. Finally, Series 5. At least all the slip covers are not bent and crushed. Let's look at the back. Okay, so that's your internal artwork on this one. Okay, they put a disc in there this time. Just in wondering who actually makes this case. Is it an Elite one? Doesn't say. Okay, so disc 24 is 4K. Disc 25, and this one is a dual layer 50 gig for the last bonus disc. Let's check if there is reverse artwork. Yes, there is. And I'm going to put it back that way. I quite like that artwork. Okay, and that's the look at the back. Okay, let's get these all back in the outer box. I know what they're planning on that, but it does look a little bit stupid, if I'm being honest. Probably bug a lot of people's OCD. Okay, let's put this over here and we'll have a look at this stuff first. Okay, so this poster is on thickened paper, but it's not their usual textured paper. It's more of a glossy one. And that is quite nice. That artwork is really nice. And there is the flip side. Such a good first series. I really did enjoy that. Okay, so Series 2. And there's your flip work art. Series 3 next, hopefully. Yep. Nice artwork again. Wonder if there'll be a movie a few years down the line. Wonder if it'll happen. What do you think? If you let us know in the comments, do you think they'll cash in and do a big theatrical experience? But you know, Netflix doesn't like cinemas, so unless they make it just for Netflix. Again, really nice. Does have some fine artwork for this show. Okay, Series 5, and then we got this other poster. Be intrigued to see what that one is. So this is the artwork for Series 5. And the flip side. Okay, what have we got here? Okay, so it's a map of Hawkins, Indiana. Try and zoom in on this a little bit for you. And the flip side of this one is the other side of Hawkins, the upside down. They should have done it mirrored, really. Would have been nice if you could have had it like that, and then you flipped it and it would have showed you the reverse. Okay, next up we've got this book. It's the Player's Manual. Okay, so this is on smooth paper. There's a look at your contents. And there's a look at Series 1 or Season 1. They were all quite young when they first started out, weren't they? Was spanning over many, many years. There was quite a wait between a few series as well. Yeah, it's nice, nice book. Quite a lot of information in here. Okay, we've got some credits for the deluxe box set. Okay. So the authoring and subtitling on this one, and the feature encoding is by Visual Data Media Services. And there's the last page. Okay, and next we've got this box of goodies. So let's see what's in here. Just make sure I get everything out for you. Yep, that's it. So we start with that. The dice. And then we got a Palace Arcade token from Hawkins. It's quite heavy. Then we got some stickers. Have You Seen Me? For Will. Ice Cream Parlour loyalty card. And we got a Hellfire Club patch. And then we got some art cards, which are a smooth finish on thickened paper or thickened card, all the same on the back. So let's go through them right now. And we're going on to different series now on the back. So this is Series 4. And now on to 5. And we got Greetings from Camp Nowhere, 85. Is that a Mac on the front? Yeah. Use one of them in school. And finally, I believe this is it. You got the radio station sticker, Stranger Things sticker, and then Hawkins National Laboratory for the US Department of Energy, and Surfer Boy Pizza. So that is it. That is everything you get in this deluxe collector's edition. If you enjoyed the video, please do give us a like. Helps the channel out a lot, and consider subscribing and sharing, please. But always good to read your comments. Be interesting to see what you make of this deluxe edition. But again, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.